Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Carson Cloud. So in this video, I'm going to configure a non-routable domain to a routable domain. So with Office 365, your user UPN needs to be a routable domain. The routable domain should look something like this. The .com or .net or .org is one of the example. And also your domain on Microsoft.com. The non-routable domain is more for your on-premise Active Directory, like the .local, even .private. So I'm going to add a DNS suffix to my Active Directory domain controller. It's gonna and then convert my user UPN or all my user UPN to a routable domain. Let's do that now. So I'm going to run an IDFix tool here. Let me expand this. I'm going to query. So as you can see here, error top level domain. That means my UPN are not routable. If you look at the value here, it's at carsоncloud.local, the same thing as this one, Larry at carsоncloud.local. So before you want to sync your users to Office 365 using Active Directory or AD connector, you want to make sure you change the value to a routable domain. It should be .com. So now let's go ahead and go into the oops, wrong one. Go to Administrator Tools and under Domain and Trust, click on Domain and Trust. At the top level here, I want to go to Properties. Right here, you need to add your routable domain. So in my case, it's carsoncloud.com. I'm going to add that. Click OK. I'm going to close it out. And for Active Directory User and Group, launch this one. I already have it open. If you look at my users, let me choose Timothy. I go to Account tab. As you can see here, Timothy at carsoncloud.local. So I need to change this to carsoncloud.com. Click on Apply. And now I go back to my IDFix tool. I'm going to rerun the query. As you see now, Timothy is gone. So I no longer have top level domain issues. So what I'm going to do next, I'm going to fix all these account here. Actually, I'm going to fix this too first. Larry and Terry. Change Terry to. You can also, if you have hundreds of users and you don't want to change this manually, there is a PowerShell script that you can use to make changes to all the user UPN. And so let me give you the link to the PowerShell script here. Let me open up Google Chrome. Let's go to google.com. Oops. So here's what you need to type: none routable domain PowerShell. So this is what you need to type in to search for the guidance on PowerShell script. Here's the link, and here's the PowerShell script that you can run. So that's the other way to change the user UPN. Let me go back to ID Fix tool. I'm going to rerun this. As you can see, everything is fixed except this one. I'm not going to fix this account. So that's how you fix your non-routable UPN to a routable UPN. Once that been resolved and configured, you should be able to ready and install AD Connect tools. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, please put in the comment section and I'd be glad to answer your questions. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. My channel will cover Office 365, Microsoft Azure Active Directory, SCCM or Configuration Manager, anything related to Windows 10 deployment, applications deployment. Thank you and have a good day.